Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, you want to level up your productivity game in 2025? You know I'm all about that life hack, efficiency grind. Well, get this. AI is changing the game. We're talking about AI tools that can help you manage your time, automate tasks, and even boost your creativity. How much time do you spend sifting through emails, scheduling meetings, or just trying to remember what you were supposed to be doing 5 minutes ago? AI can handle that. It's like having a super-powered personal assistant always working in the background to make your life easier. In this video, we're going deep on the best AI productivity tools out there. Stick around, you don't want to miss this. Alright, let's be real for a second. When you hear AI, you might think of sci-fi movies, self-driving cars, that kind of thing. But AI is already here, and it's quietly revolutionizing the way we work. We're talking about algorithms that learn your habits, anticipate your needs, and help you work smarter, not harder. Your email, your calendar, your to-do list, AI is powering those behind the scenes, optimizing workflows, automating tasks, and even helping you make faster, more informed decisions. In 2025, AI isn't some futuristic fantasy. It's your secret weapon for conquering your to-do list and actually achieving your goals. Whether you're a student, an entrepreneur, or just someone who wants to get a better handle on their day-to-day, AI has something to offer. Over the next few chapters, we're diving into the specific AI tools that are changing the productivity game. Let's face it, we've all been there. Drowning in a sea of to-dos, deadlines looming, and that feeling like you're constantly playing catch-up. Well, what if I told you that AI could be your new secret weapon for task management domination? Notion and Todoist, two of the heavy hitters in the productivity world, have integrated some seriously impressive AI smarts into their platforms. These AI assistants can analyze your tasks, understand their complexity, and even suggest how to break down larger projects into manageable chunks. Imagine this, you're planning a big presentation. You dump all your ideas, research, and deadlines into Notion. Notion's AI assistant then steps in, analyzes everything, and suggests a structured plan complete with deadlines, subtasks, and even relevant resources. These AI-powered apps can learn from your work patterns, understand your priorities, and automatically prioritize tasks based on deadlines, importance, and even your energy levels throughout the day. Need to brainstorm blog post ideas or draft a social media update? Notion's AI can help get those creative juices flowing. With AI on your side, you can finally escape the endless cycle of to-do list chaos and start focusing on what really matters. Let's talk about distractions. Social media notifications, that never-ending urge to check your email for the 100th time, they all add up to lost time and decreased productivity. But what if you could fight fire with fire and use AI to combat those distractions? There are some seriously cool AI-powered tools out there designed to help you regain control of your time and achieve peak focus. Take Focus at Will, for example. This app uses AI to create personalized soundtracks designed to improve your concentration. It analyzes your mood, the task at hand, and even your brainwave patterns to create a customized audio experience that enhances focus and blocks out distractions. Then you've got Rescue Time, another game changer in the time management arena. This app runs in the background of your computer and tracks how you spend your time, using AI to analyze your data and identify patterns and habits that might be holding you back. Imagine getting a weekly report that shows you exactly where your time is going, highlights your most productive hours, and even suggests ways to minimize distractions and optimize your workflow. Okay, let's be honest. How many times a day do you find yourself bogged down by repetitive tasks? Answering emails, scheduling meetings, setting reminders. They might seem small, but they can eat away at your time and drain your mental energy. Well, what if you could delegate those tasks to an AI assistant who's always on call? Siri, Google Assistant, Alexa, we all know these voice assistants, but they're not just for playing music or checking the weather anymore. These AI powerhouses are getting smarter and more capable by the day, and they're ready to take over those mundane tasks that are clogging up your to-do list. Imagine dictating an email while you're commuting, scheduling a meeting with a single voice command, or setting reminders throughout the day without ever having to pick up your phone. This is the power of AI automation. It frees up your mental bandwidth so you can focus on the tasks that require your unique skills and creativity. And the best part? As AI technology continues to evolve, these voice assistants will only become more intuitive and integrated into our lives. We're talking about a future where you can automate virtually any repetitive task, freeing up even more time and mental energy to focus on what truly matters. Alright, content creators, marketers, anyone who spends their days wrestling with words, this one's for you. Imagine a world where writer's block is a distant memory, where you could generate high-quality content in a fraction of the time, and where AI becomes your secret weapon for creative domination. Sound too good to be true? Well, buckle up, because AI writing tools like ChatGPT and Jasper AI are here to change the game. These AI powerhouses are trained on massive datasets of text and code, allowing them to understand language, context, and even tone of voice. Need to write a blog post but struggling to get started? Just give Jasper AI a brief, a few keywords, and watch as it churns out a well-written, engaging article in minutes. Need to craft compelling social media captions that grab attention? ChatGPT can generate a dozen different options, each tailored to a specific platform and target audience. These AI tools can also help you refine your writing, suggest better word choices, and even identify plagiarism. In the world of content creation, AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to supercharge your productivity and help you reach your full creative potential. Let's get personal for a minute. Productivity isn't just about checking things off a to-do list, it's about feeling your best, managing stress, and building healthy habits that support your overall well-being. And guess what? AI can help with that too. We're talking about a new wave of AI-powered apps designed to understand your mood, track your habits, and provide personalized recommendations to help you live a healthier, more productive life. Take Cove, for example. This innovative app uses AI to track your emotional state throughout the day. Feeling stressed or overwhelmed? Cove can suggest mindfulness exercises, breathing techniques, or even calming music to help you regain your center. By understanding your unique patterns and preferences, AI can help you optimize your daily routine, reduce stress, and boost your overall productivity. So there you have it. AI is here to revolutionize how we work and live, and these tools can help you stay organized, save time, and get more done in your daily life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech tips. And let me know in the comments. What's your favorite AI tool for boosting productivity? I'd love to hear from you.